Should we come back to the beach tomorrow? All right, go get some more water for the moat. Ready?
Go ahead and pour it, buddy. There you go. Come on, pour it all in one spot. Pour it all. Don't worry about moving spots. It's all gonna flow.
No! I want to get my toy. Guess what? I'm gonna read and see what we find.
All right, let's go. Whoa!
What's that? The sign looks all mushy. Ugh. Ew. This is disgusting. Yeah.
What is this over here?
Whoa! We found a seashell! This is so cool! I can see the ocean.
Thank you for watching on